In a recent video, we talked about the benefits of drinking aloe juice. Did you watch it? Aloe vera is well known for its use in health and beauty. You can find many of these benefits on our channel. The main properties of aloe vera are found inside the leaves in its gel. When cutting a piece of the leaf, we can see mucilage, a structure with a concentration of 90% water and 10% fiber. In this cut, we can also see the plant eliminating a yellow viscous liquid. The substance of this liquid is toxic. Did you know? So to enjoy the benefits of aloe vera, you need to be careful with how you extract and how you remove this substance. See now how to cultivate aloe and use it safely. Researchers explain that the yellow resin of aloe vera leaves is rich in substances that have a heavy laxative action. It is recommended that, after harvesting, the aloe leaves are thoroughly washed and left to dry upright for 24 hours to drain the yellow toxic substance. After this process, you can extract the mucilage from the leaves, cutting the thorny sides and discarding the skin. Even with all the care, it is important to pay attention to how you use aloe. After removing the excess of the substances and using only the gel, the strongest actives are eliminated. From the point of view of ingestion, experts say that a clean mucilage improves intestine functioning with a less aggressive process. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Aloe vera seedlings must be planted in pots or in the ground, in places with direct sunlight during the whole day. Since it spreads easily on soil, pay attention to see if the mother plant has surrounding sprouts that can hinder its development. Remove these sprouts by the root and plant them in other places. Lastly, let's see how to make aloe juice. To make it at home, cut the leaves from the plant and cut its sides. Next, wash the leaves and remove the yellow part since it irritates the stomach. Put the gel in a blender, following the proportion of 3.52 ounces of gel to 34 ounces of water. If you want, add 1 tablespoon of honey and citrus fruit, like lemon or orange, to make it tastier. You can drink only 0.67 ounces of this juice 2 to 3 times a day. Excessive consumption may cause nausea, abdominal pain, and diarrhea due to the presence of aloin, a substance that irritates the intestine. Aloe vera juice can't be consumed by pregnant women, the elderly, and people who take medicines to control blood pressure or treat heart issues. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.